Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share some happy mail that I received from my friend Erica. Hi Erica. She is Scrapdiva29 here on YouTube, and she has sent this to me I think about a week ago, but I've kind of been under the weather, so I'm just now getting a chance to share with you guys what she sent me. Thank you so much, Erica. I know you've had lots going on, so I'm really appreciative that you actually sent me something. You totally did not have to. So this is just straight out of the box. I love this tissue paper with the little sprinkles on it. So I just took it out of the box to share with you guys. And she has some fun shred in here. So let me just pull these items out, and I will share with you what she sent me. Okay, so I know that she was still sending me her entries for my challenge giveaway, because I know she had contacted me before it ended, and she had some family stuff come up, so thank you so much for still sending it to me. I really appreciate it. So let's open it up. So here is the card she created for me. Look how super cute this is. I love this. So she has a stitch bow up here. I love the colors that she used. It looks like she has a die cut on the base here. She rounded the corners at the bottom. This super cute sentiment that says yay. And she has glitter everywhere. I love it. And look at these 3D little tiny boxes, which I think are from Alina Crafts or Alina Cuddle. And I love it. Yay is right. And let me just read the inside really quick. Aw, thank you so much. She said this is one of her favorite birthday cards that she's made, and I totally agree. I love it so much. I cannot wait to display it in my room. And here is the Memory Decks card. Super cute. I like this little, it's like a XOXO tag. Do you see the little loop right there? And she tied some tulle in there. How cute is that? Look how cute this is. I love the shape of this. She did some gold stitching around the perimeter. And of course, another little tiny bow. She has a create sticker here that's popped up. Super cute banners. I still have not gotten this. And this looks like a half doily. Look at the hearts. And she just layered everything together. I love it. And she has some information on the back for me. If you guys did not know, she loves tacos. Yes, she does. Her favorite colors are purple and pink. And you know she's busy because she has 4 kids. So thank you so much, Erica. I love it. So here are the other items that she sent me. Look at this super cute little treat holder. You have to tell me where you got these little clear boxes from. If you guys don't know, I am a sucker for any type of container. Sometimes I like the container more than what's inside of it. But these are M&Ms. So cute. I love this. She has a snowflake in the back. She created a rosette with a heart, and then it says Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. Here is a lip balm holder. And of course, whenever I get these, I never want to, you know, undo it to take the lip balm out because it's so cute. And I just want it to stay that way. But look how cute. This lip balm has a snowman, which I love. It says Snow Flurries. And she used, I think this might be either Mama Elephant. I think so. The Wishful Taggins. She stamped Merry Christmas. Super cute. With some red glittery tulle, some twine, and a jingle bell. Thank you so much. Here is the next item. Why does this paper look familiar? It's probably one that I picked up and didn't use this past year. I love this. This is one of the treat boxes from Alina Cuddle. She has a frosted glittery snowflake in the back and then one of the larger bows with the hearts on the edges. Love it. She put a little sparkly gem in the center. And in here, oh, how cute! She has a manicure set. And it's all silver and sparkly. I can take this to work and put it in my desk because I'm always looking for either a nail file or some, why am I drawing a blank? You know what these are. I'm just losing my mind today. But thank you so much. I think this is one of the items that she created for her craft fair, and she wasn't able to actually make that happen this year, but these can definitely be used next year, and I love this. Who wouldn't love receiving a little gift like this? Thank you so much. And here's a tiny envelope, and it says enjoy with the heart. Super cute. I need to use my gift card holder more. Oh, you are so sweet. Thank you so much. You so did not have to do this. I actually have a obsession with Starbucks. For those of you who do not know, I'll admit it. It's very hard to control, but I just need my caramel macchiatos. So, thank you so much, Erica. This will be greatly enjoyed probably after this video. And I am so thankful for your friendship, and I so appreciate this. I'm glad to hear that Sydney's doing better, and that's great news for you and your family. So thank you so much, Erica. I will have the link to her channel down in the description box below. I'm sure all of you know who she is. And I will be back really soon with another video. Have a great day, guys. Bye, everyone.